Here's a Evergo, or in this case, Locke Banana Fan I got from a fellow fan collector. This is actually the first time I've done a video on this, and I've had this fan for, I think, 5 years now. And it had the darker brown blades, but those ended up getting damaged. Because I got angry one day with my brother, and that was a whole dispute. So I ended up getting some extra blades from other collectors over the time, and I threw this loose weave cane set that I have on it. I also have a tight weave cane set as well, but I prefer the loose weave. I put this there in the dining room in the new house. There you can see. And it's got the variable chain, and it's an oil bath. So we'll start it up on the lowest setting. The nut on it, as you can tell, is broke off. So I put a locking nut on there as a temporary to keep the switch from going in there. I don't know if that's the slowest it goes. Yeah, it's the slowest. It's a little bit faster than aesthetic, but it throws out a nice gentle breeze on low. Okay, we'll go up to a medium-ish. Not much of a fast runner, it's more or less built for pitch. But it throws out some really good air. Okay, we'll go try and go up to a high speed. There we go. It's got a little bit of a wobble to it. Nothing extreme. Okay, and we'll go off. The faceplate on it was, I had replaced the faceplate with a newer model Evergo, because the old one was chipping and falling apart and losing its finish, so I ended up replacing it and putting a nicer plate on it. As you can tell, it needs a little bit of oil to them because it's a little stiff. But I always wanted a banana fan, and this was the first one I ever got. And then parts fans came along and gave me blades and a bunch of other stuff. The mounting canopy is not original. That actually came off a Hunter original that I had or have. And then hard to tell, but the down rod is also not original. I had to basically piece this whole fan together to make it work in this dining room here. But you can't even tell the down rod is white from here unless you're really staring at it. But anyway, that's it, and until next time.